This is how to make a song repeat in Apple Music. If you have a song that you really like, for example, in my favorites here, I could find one song. Okay, it doesn't really matter which song it is, it's up to you. Okay, so the song is playing, and while the song is playing, you can go to this list view to see the up next view. You see the next songs, and you also see the history of the songs you're playing. And you have the controls here. You can set the shuffle to on or off. Now the shuffle is off. Now it's playing the songs in the order of the playlist. Also, you have the repeat option. There is one repeat option, and this button is to automatically suggest new songs based on your preferences. You can also turn off the crossfade or auto mix. The repeat button has a nice trick. You can tap it once and then you tap it again to repeat one song. When the repeat is off, it's like that. When it's repeating the whole playlist or album, is like this. And when it repeats one song, the current song only, it will show this, the repeat button and 1. And now you see that the option is to repeat one song right there. With the repeat one song enabled, the song is finished and then it starts from the beginning. It keeps playing like this until you turn off this feature, and you can turn off the setting just like that. I hope this helps you listen to songs on repeat, but not too much, because then you will not like them anymore if you repeat them too many times. Thanks for watching.